Their task for the next 24 hours is simple. Sit back and wait, perhaps with some light reading, while the working of space-time takes effect. In their attempt to travel into the future near Earth, my volunteers 24-hour radio by comparing their thoughts, they can see
So 24 hours later, we transfer calls to our.
Then it was just kind of waiting to open the Christmas present to see what was in there.
Are you ready for your results?
Yes.
Here's the thought that we brought up yesterday. Come up here. One factor. This is the thought we left down in the hotel.
Umuya din. Wag! Sira ulo talaga nito. Ngalang-ngala. Oh, umalis na. Usap-usap mo sarili mo.
Kind of unbelievable and amazing that it can actually be calculated and it can actually be done within 24 hours.
Having joined the mountaintop, all has future by 20 nanoseconds.
It's incredible. 20 beers a second behind me with the clock. So really, I am 20 beers a second. Round up. My two guys.
Just like with the black hole, the mass of the Earth, all has experienced a slower passing of time and then safer.
Wow, binibidyo mo.
Pretty unbelievable that you were just down there and we just took a quick trip up the mountain and sped up. So it's just cool that we can have like binoculars and just look at people out there. Technically they're in the past.
The airplane travels through its person as described each day. It's happening every time, albeit a tiny one.
Traveling to the
Laway ng bata. Kumawa ka. Ayaw naman tumawa eh. Kinakausap ka eh. Kausapin mo.
Tayo na.
or use elevator. All of the speed at which we get to the future. This time,
Nag-isip.
Usap mo. May gusto ko mo buya. Dal-dal po.
Award-winning journalist Ariana Van Zelen continues her harrowing journey.
Pucha-pucha. Dal-dal ka. Dal-dal ka. Dal-dal ikaw, ma'am. Wow, sarap niya ang kamay mo. Sarap yung kamay mo, boy. Sarap yung kamay mo, boy. Hingi. Hingi.